Mtx Car Shampoo has superb power foam technology in the market today. Guarantees you more cleaning power that won't strip wax on your paint surface and maintains gloss longer. Mtx Car Shampoo won't strip wax formula. Easily remove dirt, grime, and road films. Maintains paint gloss longer. BS1 Protectors winning formula. It is especially formulated with conditioners that remove stains from rubber, plastic, vinyl and leather materials of your pride and joy. With just a few sprays, BS1 restores the color of tires and interiors, and protects them from further wear and tear. Turtle Wax Hard Shell. The legendary super hard shell protection lasts for up to 12 months and will give your car maximum shine. The king of car wax. Super hard shell protection. Available in liquid or paste. NU Finish Liquid Polish is a once-a-year liquid car polish rated #1 by consumer magazines. Can be applied in direct sunlight. Simply wipe on and wipe off with a damp rag. No rubbing or buffing required. Strong and durable enough for harsh winter months and provides protection during summer days. Mtx Glass Cleaner safely and easily removes road film, traffic deposits and grime build-up. It contains a revolutionary formula that cleans and leaves the glass with a slick and anti-static surface. Mtx Glass Cleaner keeps your glass cleaner longer to ensure you the safest drive day or night in every condition. It is safe for all types of glass. No streaks formula reduces glare and haze. Safe for glass coatings.